Think baclofen is just another muscle relaxant? You could be overlooking three critical risks that everyone taking this medication needs to know. Baclofen is a powerful medication, often prescribed for conditions like multiple sclerosis, spinal cord injuries, or cerebral palsy, where it works wonders by easing severe muscle spasms and stiffness. It can significantly improve quality of life, allowing for better movement and reduced pain. However, like all potent drugs, its benefits come with potential downsides that are often underestimated. Many patients focus solely on the relief it provides, unaware of the serious implications if not managed correctly. So, let's unpack these key risks. First up, baclofen acts on your central nervous system, meaning it can slow down your brain activity, making tasks like driving or operating machinery incredibly dangerous. It's not just a little sleepy feeling. For some, it can be profoundly impairing. The second major concern is suddenly stopping baclofen, especially after long-term use, can trigger severe reactions, including seizures, hallucinations, and even high fever. It's crucial to always taper off this medication under a doctor's supervision. Finally, for those with pre-existing kidney issues, there's a risk of, if your kidneys aren't clearing baclofen effectively, it can build up to toxic levels, intensifying all side effects. Understanding these risks isn't about fear, it's about empowering you to have informed conversations with your healthcare provider. Never adjust your dosage or stop baclofen without medical advice. If you found this helpful, click on the video now appearing on your screen for more essential health insights.